Today, I'm going to show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Google Sites, step by step, so your website can use a custom domain instead of the default Google Sites address. This is a super useful setup if you want your site to look more professional, build trust, and make it easier for people to remember your web address. And don't worry, I'll keep this simple and beginner-friendly from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Sites and go to the website you want to connect. Make sure you're on the correct site because the custom domain will be assigned to that specific website. Once you've opened it, look to the top right corner and click Settings. This is where Google Sites keeps the domain and publishing options for your site. Inside the Settings menu, select Custom Domains. Then click Connect a Domain. Google Sites will now ask you to enter the domain name you want to use. Type in your Namecheap domain and then click Next. This tells Google that you want to link an external domain to your site. Now it's time to switch over to Namecheap. Open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. From the dashboard, go to Domain List, find the domain you want to connect, then click Manage next to it. This takes you to the settings for that specific domain. On the Domain Management page, open Advanced DNS. This is the area where you control your DNS records. Scroll down until you reach Host Records. Here you'll need to add a new DNS record that points your domain toward Google Sites. Click Add New Record. Then select CNAME record from the record type options. In the host field, type www. This is the subdomain that visitors will usually use when reaching your site. Now go back to Google Sites and copy the CNAME target or value that Google provides for your domain setup. Once you have it, return to Namecheap and paste that value into the target field. Double check that everything is entered correctly, because even a small typo can stop the domain from working properly. After that, click the green checkmark to save the record. That saves your DNS change and sends the new setting into Namecheap's system. Next, return to Google Sites. Click Done to finish the setup process. At this point, Google Sites will begin verifying your domain and assigning it to your website. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little while to update, so if it doesn't work instantly, give it some time and check back again later. Once verification is complete, your Namecheap domain should be connected to your Google Sites website. And that's it. You've successfully linked your custom domain to Google Sites. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, website tips, and easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.